This is Jerry with Aqua Pool Supply, here to talk to you about the low profile gear kit. This is your indicator. It's low profile, everything is fed from the bottom. If your M4 clean system is stuck in one station in your pool and is not rotating station to station, more likely it is your gear kit. Easiest way to figure that out is take this apart, take the lid off, pull your gears out. Typically your second gear in from the outside underneath there is shredded. If that's the case, that is why it's not rotating. If you have a 2-inch plumbing coming underneath into your gear kit, the part number you're gonna need is 230069. If you have 1.5-inch plumbing coming in from underneath there, the part number is 230068. So take off the lid, pull the gears out, put the gears in, put the lid back on, lube your O-ring, make sure the lid is properly positioned for the in-floor water coming in, and everything should be working great. For any other questions, please visit our website, aquapoolsupply.com, or come to any of our locations in Las Vegas, Chandler, Phoenix, and Scottsdale. Thank you very much. We'll see you again.